Good morning. Welcome to the 11th installment of Lighting Systems 2010 webinar series. With us is Marc Sanchez, the North American Sales Director, and our Western Regional Sales Manager, Jamie Kelsey from Bover. Today, we will be having a closer look at the NANS and NUT fixtures. Please join us for complete virtual factory tours on June 7th and 8th, and July 12th and 13th for a look at the complete line of beautiful and well-crafted Bover products. Please enter any of your questions you have in the chat, and they will be addressed at the end of the presentation. And if you would like to schedule a follow-up meeting with Jamie, please reach out to your lighting systems representative or click on the link on the 2010 page on our website. Take it away, Jamie and Marc.
Okay. Hi, everybody. Thank you so much for joining us. Hopefully, we can start to wean ourselves off these video presentations and get in to see you personally in the near future. I'm just down in Orange County, California, so real easy for me to zip up and see you guys. Just real briefly, Bover is a 30-year-old company out of Barcelona, Spain, started by our owner, Joanna Bover. She remains our director of design. As I said, it's a 30-year-old company that started out very small. Now we are all over the world in five-star hotels and office buildings and that sort of thing. We continue to grow and continue to go in new directions. What you're going to know us best for is our outdoor line, which is kind of what put us on the map, but we have beautiful interior products as well. We are going to focus on that outdoor today, the newest things you're seeing right behind Marcos there. Just a little more of contractually obligated things I have to say. We have an office in Atlanta, Georgia. That is where we do our warehousing and keep our U.S. customer service. We do keep stock there. After COVID, it's not what it once was, but we will eventually get up to keeping anywhere between $500,000 and $1 million of stock there so that we can take care of your very, immediate needs. And other than that, even throughout COVID, we've kept our lead times to 10 to 12 weeks. It's pretty reasonable for the kind of product that we're offering. But if it doesn't work for your project and you have a steeper need by date, please reach out to me. The guy you see there, Marcos, standing in front of that beautiful lighting, does a great job of helping me out and, trying to save us on stuff like that. So I'm not going to talk anymore, but you guys have my information. If you have any questions, I'm going to turn us over to Barcelona, to Marcos Sanchez, and let him show you the beautiful new outdoor product.
Thank you, Jamie, Ariel. We are going to walk you through towards our showroom. Jamie already have spoken about the company when it was founded. Here we have some of the new 2022 NANS collection on that beautiful brown finish. As you can see, there is several different sizes with several different applications. This is just a selection that we have here on the kitchen area. But let me take you in and show you a little bit further what we have on the showroom. Right. This is our offices where we come every morning to find inspiration and design beautiful lighting near to the Mediterranean Sea. We are walking toward our showroom where we have a curated selection of products. For the full virtual showroom tour, we will have some sessions soon. And you will see everything that we have, all those beauties that we have here ready for the US market. So going straight to the NANS collection, we do have here the NANS Sphere coming in 28 and 31 inches. The NANS Sphere is able to have the suspension and the flash mount option as well for those windy situations. This collection is made out of this hand-woven high-density synthetic fiber that will perform very well in outdoor scenarios. It's all wet-rated. We have 3 different finishes in orange, brown, and we will see the beige soon. Those spheres are throwing around 2200 lumens. The CRI is 90. And by default, we are always working with 2700 kelvins. But depending on the nature of the collection, we can always customize and adapt those needs for those specific projects that you might have. So moving on the spheres, we have several different wall sconces to work with. Starting by the medium one, we have two sizes. For the larger one, we have two sizes. This one is around 8 inches of diameters. As you can see, this one is the beige finish. Very well-designed wall scones for wet-rated scenarios. And then we have these 3 different sizes for the shades that you can find in pendants, flash-mounted, as we are seeing right here. I love this finish because it's very feminine. It has this blue cyan with this beige. We call it beige. And we can see on the collection that we have this open woven, and then we have this more close woven based on the size of the shade. So very thoughtful what Joana Bover, the designer of the collection, was going through while designing. Then we have these indoor versions that will allow you to have just one only canopy with several of them to be able to position them where you would like to actually have it hanging. We will supply gourmets in around 5 meters of cable to be able to move them around and have them at different heights as well. This is the pendants that we have here. Those 3 different sizes of the pendants. They have around 500 lumens output. Same CRI, it's 90 CRI, but this small one is around 350, and it works with a direct LED engine straight to 120 volts. So that is allowing us to create different applications, such as the NANS hang, which is coming from the sister, the Garota hang, which is a very popular product because it will allow you to create different compositions, hanging them from trees, wrapping them from structures. Very cool inspiration in our outdoor book. If you want to have a look at some point, it's a very popular product at the moment with this sort of application. This is the small scones that we have. Very well priced for those hospitality projects. Very unique in knowing that the inspiration, the design is coming from the Mediterranean. You can actually see this. And as I said, fully hand woven. So see a little bit here of the detail of the expertise of that hand woven part and this material. We have samples available in Atlanta. If you want to see them for your books, that's fine. And then we do have this beautiful portable NANS, which is coming in 2 sizes. This one is around 500 lumens, but we have the plug-in version that is going to be portable, around 1,000 lumens. We have this beautiful thick wood detail on the handle, and we will have 3 different positions to be able to adjust the light based on the mode that we would like to have. At the minimum level of that dimmer, we will have 30 hours of autonomy for a wet rated product that can be left outside. Doesn't matter if it's on the very cold Canada weather or on the very warm down south weather with those very aggressive salinity environments that we can have. This collection is perfect for those seaside projects that we might have. We have it in a different color, which is the orange as well. All the collections comes in several different options and applications. So good for NANS, beautiful collections to have. We are excited to promote it. You will see it on the Interior Design Magazine issue of the 19th anniversary. Today we are going to be maybe the winners for the New York Awards. So stay tuned, and yeah, glad that you guys have been able to meet NANS. Then we had some of the new collections that we launched this early 2022. This is the collection that is called NUT, like noche. This sponge that is able to be adjusted is wet rated. So very nice outdoor product to be able to work with. It has this very elegant diffuser with these lines to be able to spread better the light. It's around 1,000 lumens, what we have here. Coming in terracotta, white, olive gray, possibly Mediterranean olives, and that beautiful gray. It's all texturated and all an epoxy perfectly prepared for the outdoor environment. Then we have the pendant, as you can see, just very simple, sharp. The pendant is only indoor. And then we have the flash mount option as well. Rather than always working with those very architectural products, maybe there is that project that needs that highlight with this very natural terracotta Mediterranean color. And that's it. This NANS collection is elegant, sleek, and we hope that you might like it for one of those upcoming projects. I'm sure that you will be very happy with the result. So until here, this is where we are finishing up at NANS and NUT, new introductions of 2022. Soon with much more, and please have a look to our website, catalog, Instagram. We'll be delighted with all the inspiration that you are going to find. Thank you, guys.
All right, thank you, Marc.
Excellent. Marc, thank you. First off, thank you for staying late. There's a 9-hour difference, so looks like you're all alone over there and you're closing shop. So thank you for that and taking us to your office and the showroom. It was fantastic. We do have a few questions. Let's see. First off, can the NANS be offered as a catenary system?
The NANS can be offered as a catenary system. Yes, indeed. It's actually one standard SKU that we have in our catalog. I believe the standard that we offer, it would be 4 shades of this medium in the smaller size, which it would be 8 inches and 6 inches. We can do custom and have as many as we would like to have in one string, but more than 4 or 5 units, the responsibility of the metal tensor cable strings that will be holding the power feet and the shades would be from the contractor. So that will need to be specified on the site.
Excellent. Yeah, we have a few more here. Can NANS and NUT be provided in color temperatures other than listed on the spec sheets?
Yes, we can always look to the nature of the collection, and there is always different lead times based on the LED engine that we are looking at. But normally, I would say, and Jamie can reconfirm this, we are 80% able in all our collections to update the CCT, especially when we have the right quantities.
Yeah, and just so you guys know, Joanna Bover designs everything in 2700. That's just kind of where she lives artistically. But the vast majority of the collection, there is a 3000 option in the catalog. So that's not a problem. That's not for everything, but quite a bit of the most populars. And then as Marc said, project by project, let us know what the color temperature you're looking at is. We don't stock anything other than 2700 and 3000. So the lead time may be different, but it's usually something that we're very happy to do if you can live with the lead time.
Jamie, what is the lumen output of the NUNs?
What is it, Marc? Around 1,000, you said?
The small shades will have around 300 lumens. The medium shades will have around 1,700 lumens, and the largest spheres will have around 2,200 lumens.
I think they were asking for the NUT, though.
The NUT, the lumen, I'm so sorry. The lumen output for the NUT is 920 lumens.
Okay.
Sorry, thank you, Jamie.
Yes, thank you.
Okay. One more question. Can you make an extension for the NANS pendant rigid stem mount?
Absolutely. That is something that we've done on some really great projects in high wind areas, and we've been able to do it successfully in Hawaii and the canyons over here in Los Angeles. Marc, if you could go back to that picture of the rigid stem on the NANS. Oh, in the catalog. Well, or show here, yeah. So something like that, we can extend to just under 3 feet. After that, we start running into stability issues. So this is true across our entire catalog. If anyone's familiar with Bover, the Garota is one of our very popular outdoor ceiling mounts. And we've often extended that to just under 3 feet to give people, you know, that length and still have the stability and not the sway that you would normally get with a cable. So, you know, again, this is something that our engineering and draftsmen are very capable and very happy to send you drawings on about how it would work, how it would install, and what their limits are. And it's a great team over there. They're going to push to give you exactly what you want, but they're not going to give you anything that's unsafe or unstable.
Excellent. We've run through the questions. If there's anything else, Marc or Jamie, you'd like to add before I wrap this up.
Just this beautiful book that Marc is looking through right now. It's dedicated completely to outdoor. You can download this as a PDF on our website. And all the information on the website, you know, we've got our 3D CAD files. In many cases, we have Revit. The cut sheets are excellent. They really should answer almost all your questions. But if they don't, of course, I'm available. And you've got a great team in San Francisco at Lighting Systems that, even though they're new to us, they're picking it up very quickly, and we're working well together. So
thank you. Can't wait to see the live factory tours.
Thank you so much, guys.
Those are fun. And Rick Leeds, our national, just reminded me that you guys have 2 cases of those catalogs over in San Francisco, minus whatever we gave out at the show a few weeks back. So if anybody would like one of those beautiful hardbound books, there should be some available in that San Francisco office.
Wonderful. Okay, for all those attending, that's going to be a wrap. We will be giving a dipping light table lamp by Marc after our next 20 at 10. So please reach out to your lighting systems representative for any follow-up questions for Bover, as well as any other lighting and controls needs you may have. We look forward to seeing you at the next 20 at 10 on June 8th with Pablo Designs, who will be presenting their Sky Dome Flush, Bola Felt, and Lucy table floor fixtures.
Ariel, did we not do a giveaway for Bover?
I'm not sure.
Okay, well that's okay. I'll tell you what. Let's. Can you have a raffle for the attendees? Do you have the email addresses?
Yes, I think Thomas will manage that one.
Okay. All right. Well, yeah. Let's definitely. We don't want to look like the guys that don't have prizes. So let us know, and we'll have a giveaway of some sort.
Absolutely. And we do have also an electronic brochure on our website. So please flip books that are available to you for a resource and give you hopefully some more inspiration and some product ideas.
And you guys did a great job on those. I saw them on their website.
Thanks, Jamie.
Well, thank you, everyone. Appreciate you attending, even though you are unable to speak. Nice meeting everyone, at least seeing your names on the screen. We appreciate you spending a few minutes with us.
Thank you, everyone.
Goodbye.